Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. I strongly advise against doing this because Windows does not want you to uninstall Microsoft Edge. It can also lead to other functionality related problems. But if you really want to do it, then you will have to download an application called Revo Uninstaller. Actually, there are many other such uninstallers, but this one is more popular. But you can choose any one of these, okay? Now go to the downloads page, click on the free download option, and then you can download, click on open to install it. I've already installed it on my system, so I will open it directly. Now right click on Microsoft Edge, select uninstall, click on OK. It will say, are you sure you want to uninstall the selected program? You can click on continue to uninstall it. Yet I will prefer you not to do that because it will cause issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.